I'm Ashley Fowler with Fowler Plant Company in Moultrie, Georgia.
My name is Bruce Fowler. I'm from Moultrie, Georgia, and been on this farm since 1949.
We grow vegetable transplants for farmers all over the Eastern Seaboard. We do a lot of crops, all the sun crops, pepper, eggplants, a lot of brassicas, collards, kale, cabbages, broccoli, cauliflower, and of course the cucurbits family.
We started this company in 1995. At that time my son and my brother was in this company. The reason we got started with this was growing tobacco plants and in the field. So we decided we'd try the greenhouse, and we did. No, it was not planned originally to be in the vegetable business, but as we grew, the vegetables went to coming in, and we had to go to building more and more houses to satisfy the vegetable customers. For the next, 10 or 12 years, we wound up with about 8 or 10 houses, and then Ashley took over, and he's grown from there. I got 2 boys, and I'm proud of both of them because both of them has taken the reins handed to them and really run with it.
We have 22 houses, which equates to about 200,000 square feet under roof. And in the 200,000 square feet under roof, we provide starts for thousands of acres of commercial produce. These houses are scouted every day, 7 days a week. There is 5 sets of eyes that fall on every house here every day of the week. One set being my own. As these varieties come in that we was testing, we would tailor-make programs just for these varieties to give them the opportunity to be as successful as they could possibly be. Using transplants increases yield potential because of the survival rate of the transplants. 100% of the field is planted with the transplants. The seed that has not germinated does not play a factor because it's not part of the crop at that point. So we're trying to maximize the usability of his acreage. Germination is so critical because they have to have the right environment to germinate. And the seed has to be placed in the right environment to maximize the potential live plants out of the said seed lot. When new varieties come out or new seed lots, we take small batches and learn how to grow that variety and develop a recipe just for that variety. I've done it so long, it's just as natural as breathing. We never leave these plants alone. We're constantly monitoring for pests and disease. Problems are going to arise, but we have so many checks and balances in place. When they do arise, we can react quickly. We try to implement new technology to give the plants the best growing environment that we possibly can. We try to upgrade to the best watering systems where everything is as uniform as possible and delivering as precisely as we can what the plant needs when it needs it. We're just at the halfway point. This is not the beginning, and it's certainly not the end. We're at the halfway mark. There's a tremendous amount of work in farming and labor has been implemented up to this point to make sure that we're putting food on the table in American homes.